Hey everybody, I am here to share with you one of my most favorite items that you can get from BRI Pure and Natural, and it is our 7-day sample sets. And I don't know if you fully understand what I'm talking about when I offer sample sets, and they're available on my website. So I thought I would take one apart for you to show you everything you're going to get inside. And so the first thing you'll see, this is our cleanser, and it is going to clean your skin without stripping it, and so that's really important. BRI takes a lot of care in their products to make sure that it is gentle and safe for all skin types. This is the freshener. This is what you use to balance your skin's pH, so it's important not to skip this step. You'll want to put it on a cotton pad and then go over your skin with it. This is our moisture lotion. Now this is really special. This you will put on like a regular facial moisturizer, but the difference is our products are hydrophilic, and that means they are water loving. And you are instructed to add a little bit of water on your face following using the moisturizer. You will receive other goodies in here. This is our eye gel, and it reduces puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles. You would want to use this all the way from the cheekbone to the brow bone in a thin layer, and be very careful when applying. It's delicate skin. A facial mask. This is the product that we call the facelift in a bottle, and it goes on and will tighten your skin. You won't even be able to talk, but it is water soluble, and that makes us a lot more gentle on the skin than other things you'll find in department stores or in the grocery store. You will just take a warm cloth and it will dissolve in a matter of minutes, seconds. So I really like that product. The other exfoliator that's really wonderful is the rejuvenating facial peel. Now this one works like a chemical peel without any harsh chemicals. And you'll put a thin layer of this on your skin, let it sit for about 45 seconds, and then start rubbing it in, and you'll start to feel like granules. And what that is the dead skin cells coming off. And so if you want the softest skin ever, that's going to be one of your favorite products to use. Now, a little something to know. When you're using either the facial mask or the facial peel, you would never use these one day following another or both in the same day. You need to give your skin a day to rest in between. Another product that is included is the exfoliating scrub. Now this can be used on the face or body, and it is finely ground walnut and almond shells, and it will really just kind of buff your skin and kind of make it feel, I guess for people who like to feel a little bit of texture, it's a great product. All right, now you get instruction cards. Whatever your skin type is what you will order. So this is the gentle set. Now gentle doesn't mean that you have to have it because it's gentle for your skin, because all of BRI products are gentle for your skin. This is for normal to dry skin. And if you have questions about what your skin type is, let me know and I'll help you discover it. Inside, it will show you what the full-size items look like. And then a little bit of history about our founders, Linda and Brian. And that's how the company is called. BRI is Linda and Brian. And then a little bit about what is important to them as far as ingredients and making sure they're giving you a quality product. The other thing you'll get is the Simple Steps to Skincare. And what it is a breakdown of what you need to do with these items and when to use them. So you don't have to be intimidated to end up with all of these products and not sure when to use it. But you can also always reach out to me. I am here for you. Don't feel like any questions are silly or something I don't want to waste my time with. Connecting with you guys is one of my favorite things to do. Now, this was for the normal to dry. We have sets for blemished skin and combination skin, extra dry, excessively oily. There are products for men and for babies. This is not just a product line for women, it's for anybody with skin. And so we also have a wonderful set that's for hair and body. And the items that are in here would be the shampoo and conditioner, which if you haven't tried it yet, you're going to love it. And so look at these great big generous packs. This is going to last you several uses. So we got the shampoo, the conditioner. We've got 2 of each of them. We have 2 of the body wash, which is unbelievable. Your skin will feel so silky smooth after using our body wash. Followed by another bestseller, 2 of the cucumber body butters. Anybody with dry skin, this is a must-have. And then a generous sample of the hair repair mask. Anybody who wants silky, soft, easy to comb through hair, or children with snarls, this is going to be a miracle product for you. So that's just showing you a couple of the sample sets plus the different items that are included. Let me know if you need help ordering. And if you get the sample sets on the website, they are free. You just pay shipping and handling. However, I will reimburse you the cost of the shipping and handling if you end up ordering the full-sized items. So that's a little bonus from me. You'll have to send me a message to let me know that you tried the set, and then you're going to buy full size. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I look forward to hearing how much you love the sample sets as well.